The External User Manager for Microsoft Teams implements an approval process for guests. This means when a user wants to invite an external guest to a team, he needs to add a request via the External User Manager. In this form, he has to enter all information like the invitee email, the teams he wants to invite the guest to, and a comment for the approval, why the guest has to get access to the tenant. In the Request tab, you have an overview over all your open, approved, or denied requests. In the External User Manager, you can set up a dedicated approval list or let team owners approve guest requests for their teams. When receiving a new request, the External User Manager sends out a chat notification with adaptive cards to approvers. Approvers can approve or deny guests after reviewing the request information. Only after approving, the onboarding of the guest begins.